You just have to stay strong. Think positive, because if you think negative and you be depressed, then you won't meet your goals.
Calm and collected, 19-year-old Tricia Taylor tells us how she is able to deal with the pain of losing both legs. It was a year ago today that she and a friend were walking down the sidewalk in Pontiac when they were hit by a drunk driver. Taylor's legs had to be amputated, and she soon found herself getting used to a wheelchair. Someday she might be able to do some walking with help from some prosthetic legs.
They don't think I'll be able to walk exactly on my own because my right limb's so short. So I'll probably have to have a walker or maybe even a cane or something for balance.
But these days, Taylor isn't letting that get in her way. She plans to start college soon, and she just bought a house. She's not bitter about the accident anymore and says, if anything, it's made her a more responsible and better person.
19 getting a house, it's crazy, but never thought of that. Thought I'd be with my parents when I was 25, but...